Yeah, give it a strong one. There you go.
Let me get the whole leg.
Strong crack. Not soft. There you go.
That was like the biggest crack ever.
There you go.
That's
And
strong.
no little pieces. Alright.
They're like
Last one.
that big.
That's good enough. There you go.
4 eggs.
What?
And you don't want Gigi to touch it.
Well, anybody.
But I have to, because I was cracking the eggs.
Mm-hmm.
I got a little bit on there. An accident.
Wipe your hands.
This is what some cook.
Rub it on good on those fingertips. That's where you're touching the eggs.
Right here.
Everywhere that your fingers touch the eggs. Fan it nice and dry. That's salt and pepper.
Okay, I'll add the pepper first. Okay, that's good enough.
That's good.
That's great.
Mix up some more.
Yep, gotta be mixed. It's kind of bubbly. So when all this, wait, there's a little bit of white in there.
Yeah, this is part of egg is.
So yeah, when all that wet goes out, it's ready to